All right, what's happening, Smart Money Gang? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what today is, right? You already know by the title what I'm about to do, right? So y'all remember that $200 that I got right through the week, compounding my account. I took my account up 200%, 100 to 300, actually 20 to 100 to 100 to 300, guys. So this is how this is very, very possible. But today I am going for the FTMO challenge, guys. I'm going to do the 10K challenge, right? I'm going to show you guys basically how much it is, how you sign up for it, just the basic breakdown and things of that nature, right? What I'm not going to do is show you like my account information and things of that nature, but I'm definitely going to show you guys how to basically set it up, how to go for how to actually apply for the FTMO and everything like that, which is very, very simple. Now, the first stage, right? We have to do a I guess this is like evaluation, right? You have to take the account up 10%. So it's a 10,000 account. I have to take it up 10%. So I have to take it up to 1,000, right? With a daily max loss, with a daily loss of 500 and a max loss of 1,000, guys. So you know, this is about to be crazy. But yeah, we about to jump right into it, man. We about to get live, we about to get lit. So look, I am not a financial advisor, guys. So just to let you know, small disclaimer, but what I do offer is mentorship. I do have a private mentorship with signals and things of that nature, guys. If you want to join me on this journey of my FTMO, and you want to join in with me, guess what? Just go sign up, SMSFXMentors.com, right? Go check it out. Sign up for the private mentorship and also sign up for the free mentorship, guys. All I'm doing is here to index you guys to understanding how to trade. That Forex is real. You really can be a trader, guys, and you really can be profitable with the proper knowledge. All right. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into the screen. Right, we're gonna share the screen, and then guys, I noticed that you guys don't like to watch these long videos, so I'm going to slap on the timer, guys. I'm gonna slap on the timer, and then we're gonna just skim through this video. Okay. So we have the FTMO challenge. This is what you have to go to. You got to go to FTMO.com. I already have a platform here, so you will have to create one. But right here, I'm going to go to the FTMO challenge. So look, guys, FTMO will fund you up to 200,000, right, guys? Show us your trading skills, pass the evaluation course, and then receive the FTMO account, guys. So look, we provide you with up to 200,000 FTMO account. Prove your trading skills, full account analysis, premium apps, right? So you get access to all of this, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to go over to FTMO. We're going to start our challenge, guys. So we're going to start our challenge, guys. So as you can see here, we have the USD. We can go for risk. We can put normal. So they have normal and aggressive, right? So I think aggressive is like a little bit more money. But I think you get like a bigger, daily loss and things of that nature in order to actually pass it. Yeah, you get like a daily loss and things of that nature, right? I don't want to go down too far with my, with my address and things of that nature. But I guess I can show you guys real fast. Give me 1 second, right? So yeah, right now I'm just basically going in here to make sure none of my, my address and stuff like that is showing. And then right now I'm about to, excuse me, share the screen back with you guys. All right, so now we're here with it, and as you can see, for $10,000, you got the 182, guys. So it's 182.46 for that. And then let me see, and that is for the excuse me, and that is for the 10K, right? Normal. So now we can click on aggressive, and then give me 1 more second. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to keep my information off the screen as much as possible. So stop the share. And then so we got that one, and then that one is for big price difference. Price check right here. share screen, and that is for 294, right? 294 and 28. So you get like a higher, you know, uh, daily loss and things of that nature, right? And that's for the more aggressive person. So what you're finna do is you're finna witness me go in, you know, I'm about to put in my card information, everything like that. And I'm finna actually turn this 100, 198 into, you know, 10K real fast, guys. I'm gonna show you how the process is done. And then guys, we can just go over, you know, basically like trades and things like that. I guess I can walk you guys through it. I guess you guys can share my journey, but one second. We go here, click back to normal, got the 10K. We do FTMO. All right, so let's see. Okay, they got swing account too as well. Let me see how much the swing account is. Okay, so the swing account is it gives you lower leverage, guys. So we want the big leverage. Let me change my address. Okay, boom, Texas. We go here. We got a USD. We read the excuse me. So now we got to read the, you know, basically you got to read the terms and conditions and things of that nature. Okay, blase split, yada 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 yada. Then you got to check off the box so that you make sure you read the conditions and check off both boxes. And you go to concede, you know, exceed to the, you know, the checkout or whatnot. All right, so we got the 10,000 MT4. So this is how it would look, guys. All right, so now we can share screen again. So this is how it will look. So they're gonna give you a deposit 10,000. This is my little order number and things like that. We don't want all that everywhere, but yeah, this is pretty much what we got to do. Go to be paid, and then we check out and everything like that. So give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Stop share. Let me go ahead and over there to that. And so you guys already know that I already put the money into my bank account. So we can go to one of these, like they got PayU, World Pay, bank transfer, however you want to do it. And so what I got to do is put in my card information, guys. Let me put the money on to my. 1, 3. So. All right. All right. And then we go ahead and pay for it. Okay. Let me actually put my my debit card information in, guys, really fast. Oh, I got my wallet right here. I have to put my debit card information in really fast. 1 second. So I guess I could have been a little more prepared, huh, guys? Okay, so boom, now. Okay. All right. Now we gotta put the card information in. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. Sorry, taking a little longer than I expected, but you know, it's a process, man. Uh, We are sending your encrypted data, all right, to your card issuer. Okay, so it say the transaction was accepted, guys. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. Share the screen. So boom, now we got, we already, it accepted everything, we was approved. It said the payment has been approved. We will process your order during our business hours, and you will then receive your challenge login credentials, right, guys? And so basically that's how it will be. Then you will go over to your credential area and things of that nature, and you will actually wait for your login and your login information to be sent, and then you can actually log into your FTMO account, guys. And your first, so excuse me, the first trade won't really start until it really don't, like, so if you get your account whenever, so let's say you get your account today, tomorrow, the next day, whenever, Monday, on Friday, on Thursday, the challenge does not start until you place the first trade. So give me 1 second. Uh-oh. Let me close that back down. Okay, 1 second, give me 1 second. So I'm gonna stop the share, and I'm gonna go to the client area. So right now it has not popped up yet. So we'll have to wait until it actually pops up. Then I can show you guys my the credentials and everything like that, and show you how everything actually works. Okay, so okay, that's cool. So we wait. I'm gonna go check my emails out right now. With you guys. Okay. Okay. You order the challenge provider. Okay, MC4. Boom. All right. So now we just gotta wait, guys. We just gotta wait until everything clears, and then we'll get our trading credentials, guys. So I don't want to, I don't want to bore you guys out, but that is pretty much how you basically would turn the 200 into 10K, guys. And then I will come back with the updates once I get my account up and running and live, and then guys, we will actually, take some trades. So after that, let me see. Let me share the screen one more time. So then after that, you can go to, the client area and things like that. And then your stuff will pop up here. So all your stuff will pop up here, and your account credentials and information and everything will pop up here. Then you guys will be able to actually log into MT4. You'll see the 10,000 drop, and then it starts once you start, right? And then you got 30 days to actually complete that. Now I'm gonna give you a little hint too, a little secret. If you actually don't take your account into negative, and let's just say you need more than 30 days to actually do it, you actually can, guys, as long as you don't go below that 10,000 and all your trades are closed before the last day. What they'll do is they'll reset it. Now I'm not saying they will give you a refund or anything. They won't give you your money back, but they will reset it, guys. And then once you pass it, you will get your initial refund back as well. So basically, it's all an investment to yourself. Once you pass the FTMO challenge, you actually get the $200 back. So you never really lost out on the 200, and then you're actually having access to someone else's capital, guys. Use this right here, right? We want to work smarter and not harder, guys. If you like this video, man, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. And if you want private mentorship so that you can understand how to get into this course and things of that nature, then SMSFXMentors.com, right? Come over here, man. We get you funded. After we teach you how to actually trade, the right process, the right psychology and methodology, right? The right risk to reward and the right risk management, proper risk management. All right. So let's get it, man. SMSFXmentors.com. You already know who told y'all first. And we out of here, man. Let's get it. Gang.